Struggling to capture leads from your website into Salesforce? Learn how to create a fillable form in under 3 minutes. We'll walk through the exact steps in Salesforce Setup to generate your form. First, access the quick settings. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings. Then, click Open Advanced Setup to dive into the full setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Web to filter the options. Now click on Web to Lead from the results. Click Create Web to Lead form next to the Edit button. In the Return URL field, type the URL where users should land after submitting. Then check the box to enable reCAPTCHA for spam protection. Finally, click Generate to create your form. That's it, you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.